Today I have a pineapple bread review that I'm going to do. I have a recipe for banana bread, or I normally do strawberry banana bread, something like that. But I have so much leftover canned pineapple from the canned fruit review that I'm going to use that and make some pineapple bread. So I'm not going to give the actual recipe away either, but I will be showing how I make that. And I have the oven on, set at 250 right now. Also, Mr. Moo's out here hanging out with me. But yes, oven at, 350. The recipe makes 2 loaves of the fruit bread. Yeah, normally I do bananas or chocolate, strawberry, something like that, but I'm going to do the pineapple today. It's just whatever fruit you're doing, unsalted butter, baking soda, salt, granulated sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and all-purpose flour for the recipe I have. The lighting is so harsh in here, I don't know why. Still got the stuff from the canned fruit review out. But I also have the pineapple that's thawing right now. Some warm water. Yes. And I'm just going to use that and kind of, I don't have a blender or else I'd puree it, but I'm just going to cut it up. And I'm just not realizing I forgot to bring a knife out here as well. That's alright. And these are all of my baking supplies. I have a lot of extra stuff down there in dishes. Big bag of sugar, just pans and stuff. Then I have like my scale and all my boards and measuring cups. And then more of the common ingredients I use on the top 2 shelves. Make sure to always sanitize counters and work surfaces and work utensils that you're going to be using. So I have all of my ingredients ready except for the pineapple. My flour, my sugar, eggs whole, and then pure vanilla extract, unsalted butter. And I have my baking soda and my salt together. The first step of the recipe is to sift the dry ingredients together, the baking soda, granulated sugar, the flour, and the salt. I have the sugar and the flour in here, and the baking soda and the salt I'll add. And sometimes when you're sifting granulated sugar, it doesn't always all go down. Just gotta work with it a bit. Yeah, if there's ever any leftover sugar like that, just try to crush it down if you can. Starting with the whole eggs. Now the butter. And then the vanilla. And it's a little crumbly right now, but once I add the pineapple, it should be. So that right there is about 40 ounces pineapple, and that's going to go into the other mixture. Now I'm going to attempt to cut up this pineapple. And there's with the pineapple added. It's a bit too crumbly, so I am going to add more butter melted up, and hopefully that should not only get it into less of a crumbly texture, but also kind of help melt the pineapple down a little bit from its frozen state right now. and this is the final product before I put it in the oven. 350, probably like 8 or 9 minutes. We'll see. So I did not end up doing the pineapple icing because the pineapple was so frozen that I couldn't get any juice out of it. I would have had to like put it in a saucepan and let it cook for a while, but I did not have time for that. So I did not do the icing. I'll probably do like just powdered sugar over the top. They're still in the oven now. It's been probably 12 or 13 minutes.